The following tutorial will go over how you can use the attendance tool in the Canvas Learning Management System. First, go ahead and click on your demo course. The next thing that we want to do is scroll down our navigation pane and click on Attendance. Here you will see a list of your class roster. What we can do is we can click through various dates on when we want to record the attendance. You can click back and we're going to record the attendance for Friday, March 12th. Here you can click on options to mark the student as attended, not present, or late. We also have the option to mark all students as present. And we can also deselect all of our students. Click on the More to see other options regarding attendance. We'll go ahead and mark all students as present for this tutorial. And that concludes how you mark students as using the attendance tool.